Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. I'm Ryan and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. So today I traded CLNE. It was the best trade I had for the past days, months, weeks. But look at this trade. Really excited to show you my recordings. Really traded here for a because normally when the stock is like really strong and there's a sell-off like this, normally it normally recovers for a breakup. So I have a level here at 1150. I said and then I can kind of risk it off here at 11. I don't know what's this level. It's probably previous day high. um yeah, so I have a level here 1150 that I can risk off for a either, because normally I get in 1 minute orb and break out. So what I did was I entered early, risking just the low of this candle, like 1150, because it's a round number, right? When I saw that it really failed at 1150, I'll show you I'll show you later that nobody's really selling and it was really strong. So I actually took it, risking 1150. Look at that risk reward, crazy. And then eventually it just went all the way up, and then I still have this level at 1235 that I really want. That's why I didn't really get all out. So I added here my average, can't remember where was it, probably 1170 area after the ad. um there you go. And then I was all out 1235. That was my target. I was actually thinking of holding more, but I said no, I'm not gonna hold, because that's my level and that's probably a 180R move. I said no, I'm not gonna be greedy. And here as well I took it short. Took profit, really good. I was risking 1225 ish. Yeah, so this area here, if it goes up above here, I'm gonna risk it. um Traded it for a breakdown of VWAP and a breakdown of $12 here. You can see there's a round number. So I've just mostly traded round numbers nowadays, and it's been easy for me to do a risk reward in round numbers above it or below it. And there's the opening price here, 1170. Yep, that's opening price. Actually, that's my target was just 1185. I just need probably 20 cents, but I think it gave me more than that. Yes. So that was a good risk reward. I actually added more for a breakdown of 1170, but it didn't really work. But this was an ad and then stop out and break even. Yeah, it was great. That was the only one. Because I still have Wish. I was actually expecting. I didn't want to trade Wish because I've been trading it for the past few days. But look at that, it's still holding the same price that I was trading, $11. I didn't even make new lines, but look at that, it's just holding that $11 that I have before. It was great. So if you traded this above EWAP, risking maybe 10 cents, traded 11.10, risk $11, just like that, and then you make a good amount of money. Probably like a crazy move, but we don't trade. We only trade quick profit and scalp. So yeah, that move could have been 10R if you know how to hold. What else? Yeah, that's it. But before we watch my recording, subscribe to my channel for updates and follow me in my social media accounts. If you have any questions, just comment down below and then I'll get back to you when I have time. Thanks. Yeah, so as you can see here, I have CLNE on my main list. The trade open. Okay, first minute, just first few seconds, as you can see here, 9:30:24. Volume is not about 500,000 for Wish, about 500,000 for Wish, and CLNE about 800,000 here. So that's what I want to show you. So right here, you have 1150 area, so that's a round number, and opening price is somewhere here at 1170, right? So that's about 20 cent risk. But the thing is, if it holds 1150, you can probably risk it off and then enter right here at VWAP somewhere at 1160 area for a 1 minute orb break up or high of day break up. It's gonna be tough for you to do a 1 minute or because it's gonna be just a high of day breakout, right? So when I saw that there's large orders here, nobody's really like selling, nobody's really dumping on that 1150. Actually trade that off 1157, risking that low of days. So I'm probably gonna get, just in case I get stopped, maybe I'll get a bit of slippage. And look at that, really good move. So I took some profit here. I was just taking 10% here. So this is 2 to 1 already. I was just taking 10% in the 2 to 1. I took probably 25% here. Really good move. Really, really good move. So slowly taking partials because this is 4 to 1 move now. I took more 25% here, probably another 25% here. Just taking all my profit because that's like a 60 cent move. I was only risking 10 cents in. So yeah, I was almost all out here. So when I was looking at my profit after this, I was like, wow, that was a nice catch. So, but I knew that I can get stopped here. I'll probably re-enter again, just in case. That's why I was saying earlier or yesterday from my recap. I need to risk more. If not, I won't be making a lot every day. So that's what I did here. I risk more. Probably have another chance if I get stopped. I probably have another chance since I have an auto stop. So, it's gonna protect my account. As you can see, when I entered there, I had this auto stop, right? There you go. I added, so new average is 73, so that's a good spot. Or I'm gonna 74. Happened here. Okay. I think I wanted 1235 or something. I have a level. Can't remember. I think I have a level somewhere that I need to stop. I should stop taking profit here because I don't have a big size anymore. I should be. I restarted my machine there because it was actually lagging. So yep, 12:15. I see an order here at 12:15. Let's see. Okay, but actually, I will get out at 1190 or 1185. I do. I know my average is 1173, but I didn't want to give back anything at all. I'm gonna get stopped because this is a sign that if it reaches this high, this is higher pre-market, probably gonna drop to opening price and maybe consolidate and then do the move down. But it looks like it's actually holding this area, so 1190 is a good key area. There you go. That was a good move. 1235. That was the one. I was out. You can see here. I'll be out. Yep. I was out. That was my last. Amazing trade. I Yeah. So it's actually good when you don't trade every day. Sometimes I've been taking a break once in a while. It's actually good to give your brain a break. So yeah, I feel good. There's actually a good effect when you take a break from trading in some days. But when like today, I also didn't want to trade because I was just exhausted from work. But get up maybe normally I get up six, not six, 5:40, 5:50. I got like market opens here at 6:30 a.m. So look at that. So good thing I was all out there. So market opens here at 6:30. I got up maybe 6:10. So I have like an internal on my machine. So I probably started 6:15. I have 15 minutes to prepare. I saw CLNE on my top list, in my watch list. I'm just gonna trade this. Yeah. And I wish I have it from yesterday. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me fast forward this. I did another trade after this on a short. Okay, so that's what happened. As you can see, it's just consolidating within this range, right? So 35 cents consolidation. So that's about 3% of the stock, 2 to 3% of the stock. So that's like good consolidation there. So it's either it's gonna probably do another move, or maybe just it's gonna sink down, like flush down to 12 and go to 1170 area and retest here. So there's an area here for you to kind of like look, right, because it's so empty. So either if it holds 12 or it breaks down at 12. So you have to watch the price action, what's really happening. So what I was doing here, I said, okay, it kind of rejected it here, lower highs, rejected here. It's making lower highs. It's probably gonna, like you can probably risk off 1220 area. So this 12 and 1220, so that's about 20 cents. If it breaks up 20 cents, then you stop out. You can probably enter here now for a short, or if you want to take it long, you have to take it long here, right? So this is because it's a lower high, lower highs. So there's a triangle here. So it's really hard to know where it's gonna go. So normally you just see how it reacts on the price, like what's happening here. You can see 13, 14, and then this is the time I was actually looking for a short. So this was the time I was looking for a short. Actually, let's probably just fast forward this. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this was the short. Sec. Yeah. So this was the short I was looking for, right? So I saw that kind of like, making lower lows, lower lows on those ticks. So I wasn't really sure about this short. That's why I was being careful. But I saw $12 here that's about to break. That's the one. Yeah, so probably a lot of people got stopped out here. So normally when it's stopped out, if it's strong, it's probably going to continue back. I said I'm going to get out at 1210 just in case. But it looks like it's working. And look at that. Look at that move. That was the one. Just risking 1220 area. Yeah, that's good. Actually, should have taken more at 1175 because that's a good area to bounce. So now I'm looking at 1170, 1185, 90 area. So I'm watching this area here, how it reacts. Since it's $11 stock, you have to see how it reacts in certain prices, because you probably trade this 10 cents, 10 to 20 cents to make money. And the float of this one is 150 million, so it's not, not low float. So you don't gonna take it's not gonna just dump like penny stocks. The average is still low 6 out of time. I was hoping for another drop actually. That's why I did not take more profit in there. I was hoping for 1175. I'm seeing, yeah, there I saw 66, 67, 78. So it's cent by cent. It's actually, actually took profit. That was good. I didn't know. Yeah, so that's good. That's good. I took profit. I thought I was waiting for another drop before I take profit. But you can see, right? You can see the price is increasing cent by cent. So it's sure that somebody's like buying and buying and buying the ask, or nobody's even like, they're winnings. The bidders are winnings. The bidders are winning. So yeah, so I was looking at 1190 here. That's pre-market high. That's kind of an area where either you can add, or this is where you could probably take a long, because this is a double bottom, right? So see, flush double bottom, probably a good for a reversal trade from here. Yeah, so this is where you enter long, but I added because I thought maybe it's just like a fake squeeze, and then it's probably gonna go back down. So because I was in a position of short. All good. I stopped out in there. Let me go back. See how what I missed. Yeah, I wish I've taken more. I wish I've taken more profit in there. I still have good amount of shares in there. That's all out. Yeah, but that's it. I got nothing else to say actually. If you liked that video, of course you know what to do. It's Friday. Thank you for watching and subscribe for updates and follow me in my social media accounts. Subscribe to my YouTube, Ryan PDT, and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I'm not really active, so yeah. Right. See you guys next week.